So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now we're going to scroll down until we find Windows Update. Once you find that, you want to double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the Windows Update service. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now once this comes up, you want to select I can't download, install or uninstall an update. Now you want to click on yes to run the diagnostics. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you want to type in ipconfig /flush DNS and then click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh winsock reset and then click on enter again. Now you want to restart your computer. And then hopefully this will fix your problem.